One key feature of sToolTracker is the ability to track exactly where your tools are at any moment in time. To get started, open up the Tools card. Select a tool. In the inventory section of the card, you will see the total inventory we have for this particular item, the quantity available, and the number of items already in maintenance and those in quarantine, perhaps those tools which are broken or disused. If you click on the number 9 for the available quantity, you will get a complete list of all those tools which are currently available and their exact location at this moment in time. At the moment, you will see most of the tools are in Tool Store and one is in Tool Store 2. You also have the lot number and serial number for each of those items. sToolTracker provides complete tracking for all your tools.